Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung anong energies na parating sa inyo bago matapos ang 2024. So, ano yung mga pasabog bago matapos ang 2024? Mga exciting news, changes that are coming. Okay? And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Paki-check na lang. Alright, so let's see. Sag. Ano yung pasabog bago matapos ang taon? Alright, so unahin natin ang astro energies. You have the 5th house, Neptune. Oh, wow. Sagittarius. Pay attention to your dreams kasi maaring mas madalas kayong managinip ngayon. Itong mga panaginip na to, maaring may mga senyales dyan na ipapakita sa'yo. Mga signs na hinihingi mo sa universe, no? This is also the time to manifest your desires, manifest your dreams. At humingi ka nung sign na, ito ba, gagawin ko po ba to, no? Kapag ganito yung nangyari, it means na this is my path. Kasi, in making decisions, minsan yan yung nagiging balakid na hindi natin na itutuloy yung decision natin. Hindi tayo makapili. Kasi nga, confused tayo. Hindi tayo sure. Okay? There are times talaga na parang may pinagpipilian tayo, pero parang pareho sila na gusto nating gawin or i-pursue, pero isa lang talaga yung kailangan. So, for some of you, you will receive the answers to your decisions, no? Sa mga mapapanaginipan nyo. I don't know kung paano yan ipapakita sa inyo, but you will know, you will realize na, eto na yung hinihingi ko sa universe, eto na yun. Okay? So, yun na yung sign. You are also going to be very creative. Meron kayong special talents. Like, some of you are magaling magsalita. Maaring kayo ay singer. Kayo ay, you use your voice to generate income. Yan yung career mo. Yan yung gusto mong i-pursue. Kasi kung ngayon, hindi yan yung career na meron ka. At gusto mo na maging nasa field of communication, broadcasting, content creation, singing, entertainment, anything like that. Ibig sabihin, this is your sign na i-pursue mo yun. Kasi you have this talent. Meron ka talagang talent. Okay? Do not doubt yourself. And I think, bago matapos ang taon, magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob na i-pursue na yan finally. And I also see someone na manghihikayat rin sa'yo. Maaring may makaka-discover sa'yo na talent scout, ganyan. Nakita ka na kumakanta sa karaoke. O kaya karaoke. O kaya kumakanta ka sa mall, 'di ba? Or sa social media, nag-TikTok ka, kumanta ka, yung mga ganon. So, someone might discover your talents and skills that will support you. Susuportahan ka sa gusto mong i-pursue. Okay? However, meron ditong mga, itong energies na to is yung mga hesitant or parang mga nag-aalala lang sila para sa'yo. Parang yung sitwasyon nito is, example lang yung ganong energy na, ikaw ay gusto mong maging artista, ganyan, or singer. Tapos, may nakadiscover sa'yo sa mall. And then, kinausap nung talent scout yung parents mo na baka gusto mong mag-artista or maging singer or what. Pero yung parents mo, they said no. Kasi maaring may fears, no, may takot na baka hindi maging maganda yung outcome. Okay? So, you may experience that na meron kang mga gustong i-pursue, but may mga tao rin na hindi pabor sa gusto mong gawin. Okay? That's why, yung mga dreams mo, like literal, yung mga panaginip mo sa gabi, this is going to guide you kung itutuloy mo ba or hindi. You just have to connect to your higher self. Lagi yung sinasabi natin, no? Connect to your higher self. Alam mo you would know if you want to do it. Paano mo ba malalaman? Isipin mo na lang na gagawin mo ba ang isang bagay kahit hindi ka bayaran? 'Di ba? Will you do something for someone kahit na hindi ka nila babayaran? This can be a skill. Halimbawa, magtuturo ka sa iba. Okay lang ba na hindi ka bayaran? Like, someone will ask you a question about something and then may alam ka doon, tapos ituturo mo. Will you do it for free? Mm. Will you sing for other people for free kung ang talent mo ay singing? So, yung sabihin yan, kapag ang sagot is yes, it means that this is something na gusto mo from within. 'Di ba? Through the core, deep within your core. So, you're going to be very creative. You will tap into your talents, your skill set, and this will bring a lot of financial stability sa'yo. But it doesn't mean wala siyang kasamang challenge or obstacles. Itinetest ka lang kung talagang gusto mong gawin or i-pursue yan. Some of you, meron ding pregnancy rito if you are sexually active, tapos hindi ka pa sure, be careful. 'Di ba? But if you are sure, then go for it kasi may opportunity rito na magkaroon ng baby. Okay. Let's see. I also see someone here, kung may mga anak ka na, you will be supporting your child or children, no? Sa kanilang mga pangarap. Like, may halimbawa, gusto ng anak mo mag-artista, so, sasamahan mo mag-audition, ganon. Overall energy, you have the devil. Ooh. I feel like marami ka ngayong gustong ma-achieve. Nandun ka sa point na parang you're focused on the money. You're focused on being on top. Oo. Yung iba kasi, ang impressions of the devil is like bad, no? But actually, we have, baka maraming mag-react dito. We have that energy in us, no? Na minsan nagiging makasarili tayo, minsan nagiging greedy tayo, 'di ba? Network, okay. Meeting, socialization. So I think you will push yourself para mas makilala ng iba because you have a mission. Gusto mong ma-achieve yung goal mo in a short period of time. Let's say gusto mong maging sikat. So, gusto mong sumikat in a short period of time. Okay? Kaya lang minsan, no, pag nagkakaroon tayo ng obsession sa isang bagay, doon na pumapasok yung mga challenges. Oo. So, let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Ace of Pentacles, so new beginning, new source of income, new opportunity, new job, new career, new business idea for you kung mahilig ka sa business. Let's see what else. Unworthy. Do not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Even if you are making money, it is also important that you enjoy what you do. Diba? So, do not settle for anything less. Maaring makaramdam ka na parang, feeling ko hindi na to para sa akin. Feeling ko this is not gonna make my life better. Then, do something about it, 'di ba? Gawan mo ng paraan because may opportunity ka to start something new in terms of your career, in terms of your finances, or a business. Let's see your love life. Love life ng mga Sag. You have the Six of Wands. This is success. So, kung ikaw ay single, marami kang admirers. Oo, actually, kahit naman may relationship no? Kapag talagang admirable yung tao marami talaga mag-a-admire sa kanya. So, you might experience a lot of attention from others, no? They may see you as someone na very successful or very charming. This is also success in your relationship. So, kung may karelasyon ka, maaring marami kayong magiging achievement ng person mo, no? Bago matapos ang taon. I'm trying to figure out this connection. I've never experienced anything like it before. O, 'di ba? So, pagdating sa relationship, yung iba sa inyo, parang you are feeling nasa cloud nine kayo kasi andun yung andun yung feeling na this is your first time to have this kind of relationship. Na yung iba, first time talaga magkaroon ng karelasyon. So, very excited pa kayo. Yung iba naman, parang ngayon yun nararamdaman yung totoong love. Oo. Or a different kind of love na gustong-gusto mong ma-experience. And I'm seeing here na parang alam mo yung pinagkakaguluhan. Celebrity energy nga talaga no, Saj. Maaring kung ikaw ay single, parang maraming gusto na makarelasyon ka. Okay? Let's see what else. Dealings or relationship with a woman. So for some of you, this person that you are dealing with is a woman or a feminine energy. And pwede rin itong business na sisimulan nyo or a new creative project is going to be with a woman. So, yan yung kasama mo. Let's say, your mother, your sister, your friend. Ayan. So, meron silang important role sa buhay mo. Tignan pa natin. What else? Ano tong woman na to? Ito, ang sabi rito, you will be taken care of in difficult times. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na may mga challenges, of course, pero someone is going to be there for you to take care of you. Magkaroon man ng challenge. And this is a woman in your life. It can be your mother, sister, your romantic partner, your friend. Action. Baby steps are still steps and they are better than standing still. Oo. So, mas okay daw na unti-unti, maliliit na steps kasi you are getting closer to your goal kaysa sa wala kang ginagawa. Kasi magkaiba yung taong nakatayo lang dito kaysa dun sa taong umaakyat step by step. Okay? So, mas mabilis siyang makakarating doon sa kanyang goal. Okay? Mas mabilis niyang ma-achieve yung kanyang yung success. So, I feel like for you, if you will take action doon sa mga goals ninyo, sa mga dreams ninyo, you will definitely be closer to your goals. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.